Mr. Johns, 2.5 minutes.
Minister, this government is increasingly spending money on expensive consultants like Phoenix Pay, while public servants are being offered wage increases that simply just don't keep up with inflation. Do you believe hardworking public servants who've delivered for Canadians throughout the pandemic deserve increases that account for the rising cost of living?
Well, thank you for your question, and I know that this is something that everybody is living right now with the increase of inflation. We know because of many global environmental situations, we are all faced with
I know we've only got a little bit of time.
Yes.
Do you believe that they should be getting wage increases that meet the cost of living, the inflation costs that are happening right now?
I believe right now we are actually having conversations during collective bargaining, and that conversation is happening at the table with the Public Servants Alliance, for example, and all the other unions, and I would prefer that conversation happens at that table.
We believe that they should, as New Democrats. Are you committed to reining in outsourcing to ensure Canadians are getting value for services and that we maintain institutional knowledge, skills, and expertise in the public service?
One thing that is really important is that we have a labor shortage right now, and we have a skill shortage to deliver many of the government services. And one way to be able to do that is to go find contractual work to help us deliver those services. I can tell you public servants are really stepping up and also getting the training necessary to bring those skills. So we need to have that balance, and that is what we're focusing on to make sure we deliver services to Canadians the right way.
Are you committed to creating clear guidelines so that outsourcing is only pursued as a last resort? And just I know you're going to answer, and I've only got a bit of time left, so I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank your staff, especially the public service, for the important work they do.
Well, I want to echo that because I know that public servants are really delivering for Canadians, especially, as you know, in the last 2 years. We do have a lack of certain skills, especially in the IT and our digital transformation. For example, Next Gen that we're bringing forward, we are contracting with with contracts with businesses that are helping us and public servants to have the next pay system that will work for Canadians.